for the company, and also I do technical services for the company. So, I'll first go into our company itself. As I've already said, our parent company is called TriStar. TriStar Transport and Shipping. TriStar Group is located in Dubai, and TriStar is a fully integrated energy company. We ship energy products. In Dubai, we store and ship products for Total, Shell, Enoch, and most of the brands. They use our facilities to ship. When you come to East Africa, we operate under AML. AML is the brand licensee for the Caltex brand, and we operate in 6 countries in Africa as the brand licensee: Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, and Congo. That's where our company operates in. We have offices in all these countries, but the bulk of the business is done from Kenya by our company. So, a brief history of Caltex. I think all of you know Caltex from before. In 2008, the company left the region. We sold all our assets to our colleagues here at Total, and we were supposed to wait for 5 years before we come back with the business. So when we came back in 2012, we came back as AFL now, as a distributor. But in 2022, now we became a brand licensee for the brand, which means we own the rights for the Caltex brand in the